Hi everybody, welcome back to Resident Evil 4. And yeah, we're gonna be playing back to where we were, which I honestly can't remember. Oh no, wait, yeah, I do. We fought all these people. I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, I've missed this game though. I just hate the controls. But let's try to. Oh my god. Okay, Q. Turn around. Let's go, Ashley. He walks slow as hell. He really does. Is there anything? I don't know what we're doing. Let's just climb down the ladder. And yeah. Okay. What? Can you not climb down? I have to jump out. Why can't I just? Leon just wants to take the fast way out, yet he can't run fast. Do we have to catch Ashley? Where is she? Oh no, she's coming down the stairs. That's fine. Okay, where do we go now? Oh, I see something. I see something shining. Okay, come on. Let's switch guns. Let's switch to our handgun. TMP ammo. Merchant. What is that? Handgun ammo. Always can use some of that.
Welcome.
And okay, we're like inside of you.
Some rare things on sale, stranger. What are you selling?
Honestly, oh yeah, I remember this gun does not work that well. I kind of want the gun that.
What are you buying?
I kind of want this
Not
one.
enough cash, stranger.
What if I sell the Punisher? I guess we should wait, because I don't want to sell the Punisher and then still not have enough, but I want this gun, because the gun I have right now is just horrible. No wonder it was a free gun. It really feels like a free gun, because it's not that good. So, actually, do you have...
What are you buying?
Do you have first aid
Is
spray?
that all, stranger?
Yeah. That is all, stranger. Okay, let's put that there. And then, do we have anything to sell? I didn't check.
What are you selling?
Okay, no, we have nothing to sell. Oh, I did check.
Come back anytime.
Okay. Alright. What's in here? Oh. We don't need to save right now, because we just... Okay, so 2 routes. Just a while ago, I was informed that Lord Sadler thought our men helped shot down a United States military helicopter. There shouldn't be any more outside interference for a while now, unless the United States government determines who the traitor is. They can only initiate very small covert operations. We must use this time to take our advantage and recapture the girl. The 2 Americans can only get out of our territory by using one of the routes. This is where we stop them. We shall make use of our forces to the greatest degree. We will destroy a number of ganados in one of the routes to ensure that they do not slip by us. Blah blah blah. For the other route, we will leave the task to El Gigante. Whichever route they take, the agent will never leave alive. Not with the girl, at least. Oh. So I guess that means I'm gonna have to do something pretty violent. So let's... I don't remember where we go, do we? I don't have any idea where we go. Okay, what's this? Let's check it. Could this be the mechanism to open the gates? Left, I guess? I don't know. Does it matter? Oh, I think this is about the two paths they were talking about. Is there a certain path I'm supposed to pick, or does it matter? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if both paths lead to the same thing. I don't know how this works, but we're gonna go ahead, step in here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, they see me. Okay. I didn't think they'd be here that quick. She blew herself up. Okay, perfect. What are we, hide? Oh, hide. That's great. That's a good idea. Okay. Oh! Oh, okay. Oh my god. Sis. You did not just do that to me. You did not. Okay, use that. Thank God Ashley's hiding, because this would have been awful. Okay, why can't I shoot you? Ah! Wait. Okay, this is not working out so good. Okay, we need to go. We need to go. I underestimated y'all. Okay. What the hell? This is not what I wanted. How do I close this? Okay. Oh, we only have the first aid spray to use. Okay, we'll just... I don't want to use the first aid spray unless I'm like really injured. Okay, let's... Are they coming or what's happening? I am so confused. Okay, I want to use a grenade on y'all. Like, you be pressing me. Okay. Did I kill? Okay, I'm gonna throw one over here too. Oh my god, she's still going? That girl with the... Okay. Fantastic. Actually, I am gonna use the first aid spray because Leon walks so slow. Don't have time. And... yeah, no. Okay, E. Take all that. Is there more of y'all? Oh god, there's somebody up there. Okay, I guess we gotta... Oh boy, no. No. There we go. The music stopped, so I think that means we're good. How do we get Ashley? Oh, there we go. Are you whistling at her? Oh my gosh. That's so rude. There she is. Let's go. Ashley, I don't have time to wait for you. Oh god, and there's more people. Well, I thought we were good. Oh, I see them. I see. Okay, hold up. Hold the hell up. Where's Ashley? I'm scared. I should have kept her hiding, but I didn't realize there's more. I guess I should have known it wouldn't be that easy. Okay, I'm trying to shoot you. Yeah. Oh god, now I can't see. There's somebody coming at me from both directions. Okay. Sis. Oh my god. Okay. Come on, just die. This shouldn't be this hard. Okay, come on. If you have a thing coming out of your thing, oh god. Okay, just go, just go, just go, just go. I really don't have time for this. Let's get in that corner. Yeah, let's get in the corner and attack. Okay, actually, I need you to duck. I need you to duck, sis. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay, the music stopped again. That was interesting. I don't think they're leaving me anything, even though it took me like 20 freaking bullets to kill them. God. Could have given me some ammo at least. And we need more health. Like, we have no health. Oh, thank God. Okay. I needed that. Okay, where do we go now? I don't know. Let's check, let's see what's down here. Catch you. Okay, now let's see.
Wait.
Oh,
Follow
scared me. Okay. Ooh, ammo. Thank God I needed that. These guys are taking a lot more ammo lately. Like, they aren't messing around. Like, I don't remember it being this bad with the ammo. Oh, we can't go through there. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, wasn't this where we came from? Yeah. I don't know where we're going, but let's figure it out. Should we go down here? Yeah, we were just down here, weren't we? Oh no, we weren't. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, I was gonna try to jump down so we didn't have to knock this, but whatever. Since he won't just climb down like a normal person. But you know what? That's fine. Oh! Oh boy. What is happening? I don't hear... The sounds are never... Oh my gosh, no, I can't handle two of them. These bitches... Okay, wait. Okay, I need the shotgun. Oh my god, what about Ashley? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, how am I supposed to do this? No! Okay, where's Ashley? Okay, I can't do this. Run, 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 run. Wait, go up that ladder so I can help her. I need to help her. Where's Ashley? Where's Ashley? That's what I need to figure out. Sir, I don't got time for you. I gotta find Ashley. Where is she? I'm looking for her. Where is she? Ashley. Ashley, 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 Ashley. Oh my god! Okay, hold up. I'm gonna help her. That's what I'm worried about right now. I'm not worried about no one else. Ashley, wait, can you hide in here again? Because, girl, this is bad. This is awful. Wait, what if I, like, take coverage at this front door? Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. If I just leave her. No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna fight these guys, because Okay, of course, of course, of course, of course. Fuck! Okay. Um, can I combine this with you? Can I combine you with... I just want this guy dead so I can get the others and, like, take cover in this, behind this wall. And that's the only health I have, so, sir, I need you to chill. I need you to chill. And now I'm about to die because I hear the chainsaws. I hear the people coming. Okay, I need to kill y'all, but I can't because this guy is pissing me off. Just die! Okay, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead. Okay, get in the corner, get in the corner, get in the corner. Okay, they're coming, they're coming. Okay. Boy, that scared me. Wait, there's 3 chain? Oh no, there's 2. I thought that guy up there was a chainsaw guy. I was like, this is insane. I can't believe they're making me kill 2. There's something shiny on that one. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, ma'am! Okay, that was close. I don't know what to use next. The handgun is horrible. So, here, what if I use a flash grenade? I think this will work nice. Okay. What if I use the fire ones? We are running out of ammo. I don't want to waste it all, so I'm going to use these. Because I barely use these. And that killed them. So... Oh, it didn't kill that chainsaw lady yet. Come on! I'm just burning her. She needs to go. I kind of wasted that one. Oh, no, I didn't. That one killed her. Okay, we're going to get my handgun now. I just know that the chainsaw ladies do not die to this handgun. I've tried to kill any, or I guess we haven't dealt with chainsaw ladies yet. Usually it's that weird guy with the camp key. I must need that for something. But any of the chainsaw people I deal with, I always have to use a shotgun because they just don't die. So I got a ruby. Okay, hold up. Okay, whoa. Damn it. No, I am not dying now. I killed those chainsaw chicks. I am not dying. I need health. One of y'all better have given me health. I need it. I need it. Okay, Ashley, I think you can come now, but I don't know. I'm getting scared because every time I say, oh, we're good, more crap happens. And right now, we are in a lot of pain, so. Goodness gracious. Yeah, we need health right away. Just the slightest thing would kill me at this point. Oh, I see stuff. Is that ammo? I don't really care for ammo right now. I really need health. I need a first aid spray. There you go. That was hard. That was a really hard thing to do. Oh, wait, no.
Follow me.
I already went down here, right? Or no, I didn't. Or I did go down here, and that's when those crazy... Hopefully that doesn't happen again. That'd be good. Okay. Why do you have to make a noise every time you jump? Actually, it's really not that big of a jump. Okay, let's... Wait, I was down here, wasn't I? Oh, no, because those barrels. I never hit these barrels. Let's get them. Come on, I need a first aid spray. Is that first aid spray? Yes, it is. Wait. Give it to me. Okay, I need to use it. Thank God. I don't know where we're supposed to go, honestly. I already tried to go through there. Oh, there's a door. And we have the key for it. Fantastic. Okay, let's go. Let's go, sis. Oh, there's a box. I see a box. Is that a door right there? Hold up. Hold the phone. Is that a door? What is in here? There's a barrel. It's nice not to hear rain anymore. Nothing in there. Fantastic. That was seriously it for this room? You gotta be kidding me. Oh no, we can jump. I was like, I'm pissed. If that was all that was in this room. Why do we have to catch her? She can jump, or she could climb down. She doesn't want to jump. Like, it's not that big a deal. Okay, take that. Looks like there's blood on the wall. Can we get through here? No, we can't get through. Oh, there's a grenade, I think. The hand grenade. Yeah, hand grenade. Okay, we're gonna go climb up. Okay. Alright, let's go. Why is there a thing for... Oh, there's a thing for her to hide. Thank God, because I don't... Okay, see... There's people here. Oh God, this is perfect time for a grenade. We only have one, so... We have, like, no ammo. Except TMP. Come on, blow up, blow up. Okay, that killed a lot of them. Alright, let's get this out then. I love those boxes that Ashley can hide in. It makes it so much easier. Okay. Y'all are playing. I don't have time for this. Come on. Die already. No, 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 no. Fuck. Okay, okay, he got like red eyes. Okay, this is not working. We have no shotgun ammo. Let's try the TMP, because the TMP, we have a lot of ammo, and I just don't like the TMP. It shoots so fast. Okay. Damn it. Okay. Okay, die. Okay, this is really a lot of you. Like, why is there so many? Is this really necessary? And how come, like, I can't see where my laser's pointing? Like, I can't see. Okay, we... No, 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 no. Sir? Sir, I need you to back up. Okay. There's so many of y'all. Like, what in the hell? And I can't see where this laser is pointing. Shit, shit. I'm shooting nothing. Okay, come on. Oh, they're gonna get me. They're gonna get me. Oh, never mind. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, I got a plant. I need it. Hold up. Ma'am, I need you to back up. I don't have time. Of course. And of course she has those nasty squid things coming out of her head. I think you're the last one, so let me... Damn it. Okay, I'm switching to the... on. How many hits do you need to take, girlfriend? Thank God. Holy cow. Okay, Ashley, let's go. That was a lot. And we ran out of basically all of our ammo. Okay, let's see what's in here. Handgun ammo, perfect, because I need it. This gun does nothing, honestly. It does nothing better than what the handgun did, so I don't see a point in it. But whatever, we're gonna take it. So hopefully we can get the other one. I can't remember what it's called, the R9 or something. Okay. Ashley, let's go. Okay, why are we walking so slow? Oh, this one's barred. Do we need a key for it? Or no, we can just remove the bar. That's fantastic. Whoa, is that the... Oh, merchant! How do I see him? I wanna... Okay, we go through this door. Won't open. I guess it's the only way out of the village. This looks like some sort of retinal scanner. Okay. So we can't go through there, but that's how we get out. So, assuming we gotta find a key. It's so dusty right now. Okay, now what do we do? Do we have to get on this thing? Okay, hold up. I don't know. Okay. Oh, I see somebody. I see you, sir. Oh, damn it. Yay! Oh, there's somebody on this one, too. Ashley's like, yes! It's weird. You know, you could be helping me, Ashley. Give her a gun. She could have the handgun and I could take the shotgun. I wouldn't mind that. Frick. Yes, I hit him like in one shot. There we go. Oh, I see somebody there. Okay. Okay, how come I can't hit you guys? Come on! There we go. What is that red thing up there? Oh, there's another guy. Okay. Okay, I think we're good for now. This reminds me of... I don't remember. Reminds me of a ride at like a amusement park. Okay, but... Okay. Oops, open. Flash grenade, perfect. What's that? Handgun ammo. Okay, let's go. Okay, where do we go? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we're good. They blew themselves up. Ashley didn't move at all. She didn't flinch. She just stood right there. Okay, that's... Oops. Oh boy, I hear somebody. You can have it. Of course. Okay. Some cash. What the hell is this? This blood is still fresh. Is there some kind of ritual here? Ew. What's here? What's here? Is this the key that I need to get into the yellow cat's eye? Is that what I needed to? I don't think that's what I needed to get into that thing. Oh god. Okay. Now he's running fast. I don't know why, but it's fine. See, look, now he's running a little bit faster. Now he's running slow again. Oh, he just came from upstairs, I think. Oh, there's the merchant. Okay. Oh, there's a typewriter. And anyway, guys, I think I am going to end it here. This is a little bit shorter of an episode. Usually I try to play the whole chapter. But yeah, it's kind of been dragging on a little bit long. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.